I'm in the kitchen at the Manor. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are making a wonderful, wonderful spring drink. We're making Jere's Peachy Punch. Ooh, you're gonna love it. I usually tell you to smash the subscribe button. Since we're making punch, why don't you punch it today? Punch that subscribe button and follow along. It's springtime here in Tulsa. We just got back from a trip to the South. And of course, when you think of the South, you think of yummy peaches. Peach is my favorite fruit. So I am so excited to bring you this recipe because, you know, you need something fresh and unique for Easter, for spring, and you can keep this and make this all summer long. It's gonna be a good one. Let's go over the ingredients first. You need some ice. Of course, you gotta have ice for punch, right? Minute Maid Peach Punch. The peachier, the better. Now, I'm using frozen peaches because the peaches right now aren't the best. So we're gonna use frozen peaches. We're going to use half a can of sweetened condensed milk. It's gonna make it creamy and good. And then we're gonna use a whole jar of Simply Lemonade. What better container to serve your peachy punch in than a Mackenzie Child server? It's got a spigot so you can serve it right out of this great jar. They think of everything, don't they? Peaches are a staple for summer, for spring, for the South. I was raised in the South and I am telling you, I love peaches. I love fresh peaches. I love peach cobbler, peach pie, peach ice cream. I love going to the peach orchard, sitting under the trees, picking a fresh peach and eating it right there and letting all that juice drip down my chin. That's good stuff. The first thing we need is some really good ice. Now, I know that not everybody has Sonic ice. In fact, one time I was in Michigan looking for a Sonic and I typed it into my maps and it was 500 miles away. So if you don't have a Sonic for that great ice, you could use this crushed ice. I like my punch cold. So let's put the whole bag in. Ooh, that's gonna be so icy and good. Look at that. Now let's go to our frozen peaches. This is a 16-ounce bag of frozen peaches. I wish I had fresh peaches from Georgia, but I don't. So let's go ahead and add these frozen peaches. That'll keep it nice and cold too. Next, our sweetened condensed milk. I've chilled all my ingredients just to get them good and cold before I mix it up. So let's start with our sweetened condensed milk, or as most of us call it, Eagle brand milk. It's so rich and creamy. Oh, goodness sakes. We're going to use half a can of Eagle brand milk. Now, you might think that's too sweet, and if you do, don't put the half a can. Just put a third of a can. Everything tastes better with Eagle brand, I think. You just can't beat Eagle brand milk. Oh, it looks so thick and creamy. And that's what I like about this punch, is it's just creamy. It's not just all watery. I'm gonna get a little bit more for good measure right there. So that's about a half a can. And we'll save this to make something else, maybe a lemon pie. I don't know if you've ever bought this Minute Maid Peach Punch, but let me tell you, it's good. It's so good. So let's shake it up a little bit. Oh yeah, I am all shook up. I am going to start pouring it. I'm going to pour the whole thing in there. And I'm going to pour it over that Eagle brand to kind of disperse the Eagle brand through the rest of the punch. Oops. Oh my goodness, I wish y'all could smell this. We need smell-o-vision. Oh, it smells good. Just shake it up and pour it in there, baby. If you would like to use 7-Up or ginger ale or something like that in here, you can. You can try whatever you want. It's going to change the taste a little, but it'll still be good. And then, you know, this is kid-friendly right here. But if you want to make it adult-friendly, what about some peach vodka? Ooh. What about lemon vodka? What about light rum? I don't know, you could think of a lot of things to put in here. Next ingredient is our lemonade. Simply Lemonade, 52-ounce bottle of lemonade. It's called Simply Lemonade. That's one I like to use. Oops, I'll get it later. Here we go with the lemonade. Oh, those peaches look divine. I just tell you, I love to make peach cobbler with ice cream. I'll have to make that someday for you. Oh, we're going all the way to the top. Look at that. It fits perfectly. And I'm going to shake this a little bit. And then I'm going to take the biggest spoon I have. This is the longest one. I need a long one because I want to stir it up. Ha! Can you hear that? Oh my gosh. That smells so good. You know what you could add? My mother used to grow mint. Of course, every Southern home has mint. So you could put a few sprigs of mint in it for taste, but also think how pretty that would look with the green leaves just floating around in there. See how creamy it is? I think that's one of the things I like the most about it is the creaminess. Think about sitting out on the veranda overlooking the Mississippi River and sipping on some of this on a nice hot summer evening. Can't get any better than that on an Oklahoma summer evening. I'm sure it would taste just as good. See how it creamies up and it looks milky and luscious. You can't beat this. This is so cute. Let's try some. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty that is. And that is gorgeous. You know, you could garnish this with a fresh lemon or some peaches. You could put that in here, but since I used all the peaches in here, I could scoop some out and put them in there to garnish it. But I think a fresh lemon, because of the lemonade, would make it really, really cute, don't you? And then some mint, because mint is just a great little garnish because of the color and the taste. Okay, I can't wait. I am so ready to taste this. Here's to you. Shut the front door. That is good. Wow, I love it. It is so good. I want you to try it Easter afternoon, 4th of July, Memorial Day, all summer long. Have you some great peachy punch. I was thinking, why couldn't we make this strawberry creamy punch or raspberry? I think that would be good. What do you think? Give me your idea of what kind of punch you want to make. Thank you for watching. Follow us. We are a lifestyle brand and you never know what we're going to show you next.